Hello and welcome back to Red's Canvas. In today's video, we are going to talk about the banner I'm going to make for my channel. This is Clip Studio Paint, as you can see. In the previous video, we talked about high paint and simple tips and tricks you can use to start your digital art journey. In this video, we will be introducing Clip Studio Paint. This is Clip Studio X. There are two types of Clip Studios. One is for illustration and one is for comic. I am using Clip Studio X and this is not the default workspace they gave you. I have downloaded this from Clip Studio Assets. There are so much you can use from there. I will link that in the description below. Without any delay, let's start the video. As you can see, this is the toolbar, and on the right side of that is the subtool section. Below that you can see tool properties. Every tool that you choose from the toolbar has subtools, and those particular subtools have their own properties. As you can see, I have chosen a subtool which is petals. Again, this is also, I have downloaded this from assets. On the right there is a layer section. As you can see, I have made 3 layers and I am currently working on the clipped layer. If you want to know more about what is clipped layer or overlay or multiply layers, you can watch my previous video which is in the description. Now I am making a mid layer between both these layers and I'm going to give it some shadow. I have picked an airbrush from the toolbar section. You can choose whichever airbrush you like. I am choosing the soft airbrush, changing the size of the airbrush and just sliding it below it. If you want to know where I have picked this brush size and layer property windows, you can just go in the window tab above. You will find those and much more other options there. When I'm done with this, I am going to just sharpen the edges of the shadow. I think it looks good now. Let's add the text here. Because of the S Pen, I can just scribble whatever I want. As you can see, here is the tool property section, and we can change font size as well as how to align it. I had to change the color and then rewrite it again because it was not changing color the previous time. We can change it to bold or italic, or let's say give it a little boundary, let's say of white color. Let's say change the font. I think it's perfect. Maybe we can just add some lines above or below it. Here is the shape tool. Okay, let's save it. Do subscribe if you want to see more such videos, and bye bye. See you next time.